Samsung's upcoming A-series smartphones, the Galaxy A56, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A26 have been making waves recently. While the company has been teasing these models for a while, a recent leak has now revealed the pricing details for the Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36 in India. If these leaks are accurate, Samsung is positioning these smartphones in the mid-range segment, offering strong features at competitive prices. According to well-known tipster Abhishek Yadav, the Galaxy A56 will start at 41,999 Indian rupees for the base model and go up to 47,999 Indian rupees for the highest variant. The Galaxy A36 will have a lower starting price of 32,999 Indian rupees, with its top-end model costing 38,999 Indian rupees. These prices indicate that the Galaxy A56 is designed for those who want a near-premium experience, while the Galaxy A36 remains a more budget-friendly yet feature-rich option. The leaked pricing details suggest that the Galaxy A56 will have three different versions. The base model with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage is expected to cost 41,999 Indian rupees, while the mid-tier version with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage may be priced at 44,999 Indian rupees. The top-end variant, which comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, is likely to be priced at 47,999 Indian rupees. Similarly, the Galaxy A36 will also be available in three configurations. The entry-level model with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage will reportedly cost 32,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant may be priced at 35,999 Indian rupees. The highest model of 12GB RAM and 256GB storage is expected to cost 38,999 Indian rupees. These specifications indicate that Samsung is focusing on providing smooth performance and ample storage options for users. With up to 12GB of RAM, these devices should be capable of handling multiple apps at once without any slowdowns. The storage options also allow users to store large amounts of photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of space too quickly. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A56 and A36 is expected to be their Super AMOLED displays. Samsung is known for its high-quality screens, and these devices are likely to offer vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels. Whether you are watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media, these screens should deliver an immersive experience. Additionally, both phones are expected to come with a high refresh rate, making animations and scrolling smoother. Samsung has not yet officially announced the launch date for these phones, but with all the leaks and teasers, the announcement should be coming soon. Industry experts believe that the devices will be launched with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, which will bring improved performance, better battery life, and enhanced security features. The software will likely include Samsung's latest AI enhancements, making the user experience even better. Cameras have always been an important part of Samsung's mid-range smartphones, and the Galaxy A56 and A36 are expected to come with upgraded camera setups. While specific camera details have not been confirmed, rumors suggest that both phones will feature improved sensors, better low-light performance, and enhanced image processing. If these rumors are true, users can expect high-quality photos and videos even in challenging lighting conditions. Battery life is another key area where Samsung has been making improvements. The Galaxy A56 and A36 are expected to come with large battery capacities, likely around 5,000 mAh, ensuring a full day of use on a single charge. Fast charging support is also rumored, meaning users will be able to quickly top up their battery when needed. Samsung has also been improving its software support for mid-range devices, and if the company follows its recent trend, the Galaxy A56 and A36 could receive Android updates for several years. This means users can expect a longer lifespan for their devices, making them a better investment in the long run. Overall, the Galaxy A56 and A36 seem to be solid mid-range options for 2025. With their competitive pricing, high-quality displays, powerful performance, and long-term software support, they could be among the most popular smartphones of the year. If you are considering a new phone that offers great value without breaking the bank, these models are definitely worth keeping an eye on. Samsung's official announcement should confirm all the details soon, and we'll continue to update you with the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Samsung is stepping up its game in the mid-range smartphone market, and it looks like they're bringing some serious upgrades. The company has officially confirmed the launch of three new Galaxy A series phones. the A26, A36, and A56 on March 2, 2025. With so many mid-range options already available, what makes these models stand out? Let's break it down. One of the biggest surprises is Samsung's commitment to long-term software updates. These phones will ship with Android 15 and One UI 7, but what really sets them apart is the promise of 6 major operating system upgrades. If Samsung sticks to this plan, these devices could run on Android 21 in the future. That's a level of software support you rarely see in mid-range smartphones, making them a solid choice for anyone looking for a phone that won't feel outdated anytime soon. Now let's talk about the displays. The Galaxy A56 7-inch Super AMOLED screen, but it sticks with a U-shaped notch. While this design still offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, many users may have expected a punch-hole camera instead. On the other hand, the A36 and A56 come with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-display fingerprint scanner for a more premium feel. A higher refresh rate means scrolling animations will look much smoother, making the overall experience more enjoyable. When it comes to performance, Samsung is giving users 2 different chipsets. The Galaxy A36 runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, while the A56 is powered by Samsung's own Exynos 1580. Both processors are expected to handle everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking efficiently. However, some users might prefer Snapdragon for its better optimization and power efficiency in certain regions. Storage and memory options remain flexible, with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and choices of 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, allowing users to pick what suits them best. Battery life is another area where Samsung isn't making any compromises. Each of these phones packs a 5,000 mAh battery, which should easily last through a full day of use. They also support 45-watt fast charging, so you won't have to wait too long to power up. In a world where staying connected is more important than ever, quick charging is becoming an essential feature, and Samsung is making sure these phones deliver. Now, let's look at the cameras. All 3 models are rumored to feature a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, which helps capture sharper photos with less blur, especially in low light conditions. Reports also suggest a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, making it easier to capture group shots, landscapes, or wider scenes without having to step back. While the specs sound impressive, real-world performance will determine if these cameras can hold their own against other mid-range competitors. Overall, Samsung is bringing some exciting upgrades to its mid-range lineup, from long-term software support to high refresh rate displays and solid battery life. But one big question remains: how much will these phones cost? If Samsung prices them competitively, they could become some of the best mid-range options of 2025. However, if the price is too high, they might struggle to stand out in an already crowded market. So, do you think these upgrades make the Galaxy A26, A36, or A56 worth considering? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Samsung is gearing up to redefine innovation with its upcoming Galaxy S25 series, and the leaks are painting an exciting picture of what's to come. Imagine a smartphone designed to challenge boundaries, powered by cutting-edge technology and wrapped in sleek sophistication. That's the promise of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that's already creating ripples before its official unveiling.